Sumo. Orihela taking the ball. Orihela on drive. The end. Orihela. Good work. And dangerous shot mula kay numero 3. No good by Bispe. But a jumper by Orihela. Sa kalaban. Banahera going for Orihela. Ang pulis pangkalawa. Orihela, laban kay Ramos, 1-on-1 face-to-face, 5 seconds remaining. Orihela! Welcome po kayo sa ating second kabarangay and Pinoy Workers' Cup Basketball Tournament. Good for 2 points! Ito Hirosalin, itong nasa Telebes. The winning shot! Ang pulis pang-alaw with 5 minutes and 40 seconds to go na ating pong second quarter. Ipagkaya inside, Orihela! Side, mula sa labas, Orihela speed, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Taking a jump from Bebernada, Benga, Bernada!